So here's a complete hand. And North opens one club. South bids a diamond. And South would like to just bid 3 no, but they've got a doubleton heart major, and that's dangerous. So it's better to go slower and maybe have partner grab the no trump so that the heart is led into partner's king. When you've got a weak doubleton like this, it's best not to what we call grab the no trump. Sometimes you end up having to grab the no trump, but if you have other options, it's better to just sort of push it back to partner to say, okay, I'm responding, tell me what you have. So 1 club by North, 1 diamond by South, 1 no trump by North, just showing balance 12 to 14. And now South can bid 3 no confidently. Does North have a heart stopper? We don't know, but at some point you just got to bid the hearts. So 3 no trump by North, and West leads out the 3 of hearts. That's always dangerous because the 3 means, from declarer's perspective, if they can't see the 2, that the 2 might be sitting underneath in East hand, which means East has 5 hearts. So 3 of hearts led, and declarer has, let's count declarer's tricks. Declarer has 1 spade, and on the heart lead, they have at least 1 heart, and they have 4 diamonds and 2 clubs. So they don't have 9 tricks. They have 6, 7, 8, right? So they're going to have to give up a trick. And the spade suit sort of looks like their working suit, right? You could go for clubs if clubs are 3, 3, but that's 36% of the time, whereas a straight up finesse is 50%. Yesterday, I spent the morning ragging on finesses, like you want any other choice but the finesse. But in this situation, the finesse is better than your other option. All right, so let's see how it plays out. 3 of hearts. South is the dummy, so North plays the 5 of hearts. And here is West with that number 8 exception. I'm trying to get you to pull up that number 8 exception. It's not called that. I mean, I'm just making it that so you have something to relate it to. You've got ace, queen, and a small one, and your partner has led 4th best versus no trump. This is just a no trump exception. I keep repeating that because I've had some people after this particular class try that in a suit contract, and declarer wins the king and trumps out their ace. Okay, so you don't want to try this in a suit contract. This is just for no trump. And West puts in the queen of hearts, and North has to guess whether to play low or win the king. Now let's say North wins the king. I want to continue this analysis of why this is such a good card to play. North wins the king and goes for their finesse. They lead a spade to the queen, and West wins their king. And now West, because North didn't duck at all, West can cash the ace of hearts. Everybody's going to follow. East is going to play the 2. Anytime you lead 4th best, you follow up with your 5th card. And then they have another card to get over to East's long suit. And East collects up 4 hearts and the king of spades for down 1. Right, so this ducking play, huge. If you go up with your ace, North is now able to duck twice, win the 3rd round of the hearts, and when West is in with the king of spades, West has no heart left to get over to East hand. And you're not getting East in any other way. Got to be in the heart suit. All right, so the number 8 exception, ace, queen, small. It's not ace, queen, small, small. It's ace, queen, small specifically.